Okay. Okay. Here's one. That is cool. He's got that Jeep front axle. Looks like that's not a. Look at our wheels. Just got plenty of room in here. Mechanical pump, alternator buried on the bottom. Nice.
Yeah. It's just me or Dad and there's a guy. Okay. We're planning to go on a road trip.
Yeah.
I got my rims on my 55 or 14s.
Good luck trying to find those parts. Yeah. My God, I've never, all my years, I was in the military, our Jeeps didn't have those. I had 151 A1s.
Yeah.
This must be 47.
Not even close.
44?
42.
42.
It's a Ford GPW.
Wow. Yeah. It's an original bucket on it, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Time to make it home.
You're gonna take this up north? I guess there's a big show in May up in my dad and I are going up there. All military. Someplace up north. It's in January, March, in April. Because he wanted to go to the one in Arizona in a couple weeks, but no way. I wonder if this was LOF glass. That's cool.
Yeah, with the flat head.
A lot of fun. Funner in the dirt than the
Really
asphalt.
Oh yeah, yeah. So this came with a flathead?
Yeah.
The
L134 motor.
So the old flathead, was it all waterproof?
No, those were the hurricane motors.
Hurricane motors,
Yeah,
okay.
you can submerge them.
Yeah, those are the ones I was working on.
Yeah. Got one of those motors in the backyard.
Yeah. Why Jeeps? Were you in the Army?
No, my dad and my grandfather.
Yeah.
I don't know, just a lot of fun.
Yeah, we've had males in the military since the Civil War, and in the Civil War we had them on both sides. And this is the first generation that isn't in the service. They're in the fire department, but not in the military. This is pretty good. It's really good shape for a 42, I tell you. The blackout markers, are those the correct ones?
Yeah.
And then the Pioneer kit.
Yeah. I just threw a cod on there. That's from 1944.
Really?
Still World War II.
World War II, I had those when I was in 1970, were just like that.
Yeah, this one's stamped on the side.
Yeah, I mean ours were real old too, but
Then we got those, what are they, the pup tents?
Yeah.
I don't know if you had those.
now this would have been angle iron that was sharpened, wasn't it?
They had some of those too. Usually
Yeah.
they say whatever you have laying around.
Yeah,
So
that's
I
right.
looked in the backyard and that's what we had laying around.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I was thinking I've seen so many videos,
Yeah.
history videos on these things, and when they put this up, they took angle iron And the guys would put an edge on the angle iron to cut the ropes or the wires that would run across the road.
Yeah, our 45 has that on there. With
Yeah.
the angle on there. So
That's cool. Well, that's cool, man. Thanks for bringing it up. Yeah, I haven't seen this. I've seen them all, but I haven't seen this one. Got all the original front end, blackout lights, everything. What was the history on it? Do you know?
I don't really know the history. I've only had it for a couple years, and then it was pretty bad. You know, the sides were all rotted out, so I had to replace the sheet metal on the 3 sides and stuff, and knock, you know, the fenders out and the grill out.
I tell you, when I was in the military, we never had anything this nice. Ours always beat the shit. Well, I was in a single corps, so we got all the hand-me-downs. We weren't infantry. We weren't. I like that too. That's so branded.
Yeah.
Put it on YouTube tonight.
Should wear my shirt.
What's your name?
This is Gavin.
Gavin. Glad to meet you, Gavin. I'm Randy,
And I'm John.
and I like that shirt.
Yeah.
I'm all Second Amendment too.
The matching hat.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do YouTube videos. All the guys' cars from around here. Are you guys from the area?
Yeah, from Mariloma.
From Arizona. So Saturday mornings we get together down the street at the parking lot behind the donut shop, Yum Yum Donuts.
Because you know what, years ago I went by and I saw the cars out there, and I hit my wife. I have a 56 F100, and I kept driving by like on Saturdays and Sundays, and it's like, okay, when is not this week? And I try another time.
Every Saturday. That black truck is there half the time. Then he brings his 62, which is just as beautiful. I mean, his trucks are just over the top. And then all these guys, except that altered wheelbase Dart, they'll come out every Saturday. I used to bring my gasser out. I had a 57 blown 57 gasser, but now the engine's blown and we're on that to get that ready for the season. I nostalgia race that, but I live right here, so I just drive it here. It's just kind of funny. Yeah, it's barely street legal.
Even better.
This is cool, guys. Thanks for bringing it out.
Yeah, not a problem.
Get on YouTube tonight.
You got it.
Yeah, my channel is Randy's 57 Chevy.
Okay, I'll write that.
And then it has my all my racing videos are on there. My 57's on there.
Oh, sweet.
And
Is that like spaces in between?
nope, Randy's 57 Chevy. Subscribe, like, and share.
There you go.
Thanks, guys.
All right, you take care.
Thanks. Okay, do I want to go in Bob's and get some dinner to go? I'm so lazy, I don't want to cook tonight. I think I will. I'm going to go get my car and bring it down here. There you go. There you go.